Number 16, lot S110, is a 1985 GMC S15 pickup truck with an LS V8 engine and a 5-speed manual transmission, and it sold for $32,450 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 61,083 miles, and the highlights are frame-off restoration, four-wheel drive, LS V8 engine swap, 5-speed manual transmission, red exterior, gray interior, air conditioning, highly detailed undercarriage, power steering, and power disc brakes. And this one was definitely different. Don't see too many LS swapped S10s at the auctions usually, but I think this one was a good buy. If you look at the pictures on the Mecum website, you'll see underneath it, it's like brand new. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to crawl on the floor and take pictures of the undercarriage, but take my word for it. If you look at the pictures, you'll see what I mean. This one ranks up there as probably one of the better buys of the auction. I think somebody got a good deal. You couldn't build it for what it cost, what you paid for it. That's for sure. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.